Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said how to go there. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has appeared to give, to bestow the highest frame, Unnat Ujjala Ras. But you have to surrender to him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared with his personal associates and dham, etc. Chaitanya Jibe Daya Kori, Saparsa Siyadham Sahabhatari, Attanta Durlabha Prem Karibare Dan, Shikhaye Sharanagati Bhagatirapra. Sixfold Sharanagati. Danna Atma Nivedan Goptritya Varan, Avasya Rakhibe Krishna Vishwasa Palan, Bhakti Anukul Matra Kajya Shikar, Bhakti Patikul Bhav Bharjanamika. Saranga Sharanagati Hiyate Ar, Tahar Parthana Sri Nanda Kumar. There should be no material ego. If there is material ego, there will be vanity. If any material ego, false ego is there, you cannot submit to Supreme Lord. You will have vanity. You have to give up material ego. Then you should be humble. And you are not of this world. This world is unholy. The whole universe, abrinchada mangalam, unholy. If you become of universe, you become unholy. I am not of this world, of this universe. Who am I? I am of Krishna. Even Gyanis, they give up Trigun, Sattva Tamagun. By giving up Trigun, you cannot perform bhakti, you cannot get Saranagati. I am not of this world, I am of Krishna. My body belongs to Krishna. It is the outcome of the opera potency of Supreme Lord. My subtle body also comes from Krishna. It is the product of Krishna. If Krishna is the owner of the opera potency, para potency, somebody else will be the owner of my body, physical body. Physical body is coming out of the opera potency. And this astral body also opera potency and the Atma from para potency. If he is the owner of all potencies, my body belongs to Krishna. My subtle body belongs to Krishna. My real self, I am of Krishna. Tadya. And he is the only protector and maintainer. And whatever congenial for his service, you have to accept. And whatever not congenial, you have to give up. It has been stated that this is Saranagati. If I want to surrender to you, I am to act according to his will, to your will. If I act according to my whim and make a outside Saranagati pranam, that is not Saranagati. If I surrender to you, I am to act according to his will. If I do anything against your will, that is not your service, that is not Saranagati. So you have to accept those things which will satisfy Krishna and give up those things, the positive assertion, negative assertion. Give up prohibitions and all commandments you have to accept. But by that, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is not satisfied. You can get them by heart. Dhanna Atma Nivedan Goptita Paro, like a parrot. And how we can get it? Rupa Sanatana Padi Dante Pridorya, Bhagavati Pinada Pare Dhupada. Kadiya bole Amito Adham, Shikaye Saranagati Karayo. You have to go to a actually surrendered soul. A sincere soul, sincere bona fide devotee. We actually surrendered. That submission is the eternal nature of the real self. That real nature is awakened in somebody, realized soul. He can awaken other souls. You have to go to an awakened soul. We are completely surrendered. Rupa Sanatana Vedanta Junabhi. You have to go to a surrendered soul, bona fide devotee, bona fide guru. Then he will teach you. Shikaya Saranagati Karahi Uttam. You please teach me what is Saranagati. And I can get after that Saranagati. Saranagati, whatever Guru will say, we have to do this. We have heard from our Gurudev and also from Puri Goswami Maharaj.